Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Noble Motorsport channel. Today, I'm going to show you and teach you how to dismantle the rear view mirror cover. In this case, this cover here is exactly the same as the original. The only difference is that it's made of carbon fiber. This tutorial will be helpful for those who would like to change this LED part here for the dynamic arrow. It will also be useful if you want to replace your original rear view mirror cover, be it black or white or any other color with a carbon fiber one, or if you want to apply a sticker or do something else. So let's get started. I'll show you now how the dynamic arrow works. As you can see, it really is a dynamic arrow. And now I'm going to show you how to uninstall the rear view mirror cover. The first important step is to unlock the side lock. Here, it is very important that you press this side, otherwise you will break the lock. Pull it back towards the hood of the car. These spatulas here are always very useful. Alright, it has been removed and it makes all this noise. Because we have several locks, so we have this one, as you can see, it is intact, it is not broken. This one we have this guide pin, we have this lock, this one is the most delicate of all, and there's this lock here too. So you always have to be careful because this lock is the one on the side. As I told you, normally you either break this little leg or break this lock here. So there has to be a way to remove it. It's not difficult to take off, but there has to be a way, otherwise you'll break everything. Alright, now I'm going to take the camera in my hand to show you the freeze, right, where you can see it. But it's not just this little freebie, this whole piece here it is. So here's the plug, as you can see. In front of it, if you see it has a little leg, you press it and pull it back. So you can remove the plug wire, press and pull, and the plug wire comes out. You see? And when you change it, first remove the original one, and when you put the new one in, tighten it well, so it stays firmly in place. Alright, where do we have a screw to loosen it? We have a screw here right at the tip. Okay, so here it is. You find your way around. Here's the freeze. The screw here is also a part of it, and you don't need to fully loosen it, just a bit, because it comes out upwards. If you completely loosen it, you run the risk of dropping it. The other screw is the one that's inside. Let me remove my hand so you can see it. The screw that you see here, that one, you'll need to unscrew. But what's frustrating is you'll have to remove the lens and then push the entire lens aside electronically. On the driver's side, put your hand here on the side and gently pull the lens so that you can remove the whole lens. It's quite a task, so I won't do it now, but you're going to turn the lens to this side. Put your hand behind it and slowly pull it out. Don't use a wrench or a screwdriver or anything like it because you might damage the lens. When you remove the lens, you'll spot this little screw here. Then you're going to loosen that and the whole piece will become loose, and you'll be able to pull it all off and it will come out in one piece. You're going to take the new one, fit it here, put the screw that I showed at the side of the lens. You're then going to remove this screw from the original piece and put it into this new one. You're going to tighten this one. Then you're going to push that one through the glass gap. Remember, you're putting on the lens before you attach the cover. So you will place the lens first, and then finally you will attach the cover back. Now, I'm going to attach the cover here for you to see, alright? For us to assemble the cover, it's the same process. We're first going to align this guide pin to secure it here on the side. Here's a small hole where we're going to look on the side here to see if it's at the right angle. Perfect. This side is now securely fastened. Now on top, you're going to push it in with 2 fingers too. Fit inside the mirror finished. So press and fit in. Now I'm going to show you the final look. The finish turned out perfect, as you can see, and here too. The car is a little dirty as I haven't had it polished in a while. The finish on the side is perfect, and it's perfect here too. As you can see, everything is straight, okay? So this is how you assemble, disassemble a mirror cover or change the LED on the blinker. If you liked the video, like it, share, and subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot more content coming up. We even talk a lot about what we're going to do on our Instagram, Noble Motorsport. We also sell mirror covers there, plus these LED lights for blinkers, among other accessories. Right, so if you want to know more, visit, check it out, and that's it, guys. Just remember to leave a comment whether you have done this before or not, and if you're interested in making any of the 2 changes in the car. Change the mirror cover or sticker, or put the LED with a running arrow. Also, if there is a tutorial you would like on assembling and disassembling the car that you find interesting, let us know.